While Congress in Delhi performed badly last election, Ajay Magan, who has taken up the post of Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee Chief, has said that he is happy that he has been given a post of responsibility. He sounded confident that Congress will do better in coming times.
Well, I'm very happy and I'm thankful, grateful to the party leadership for having entrusted me with this responsibility at a very important and crucial juncture. And I think that in Delhi lies an opportunity for the Congress party to come back again. And we would definitely do very well in Delhi. And we will come back very soon, sooner than people are expecting us to. Our priorities would be pick up issues and also to strengthen the organization, because the organization can't be strengthened in absence of issues and issues can't be taken up without the organization. So both of these things have to be taken hand to hand with each other, and we are going to ensure that organization is strengthened and also the issues are taken up at the appropriate levels. Well, yes, Mr. Kejriwal in his oath-taking ceremony had said that he would like to seek my guidance on various policy-related issues because of my experience. Personally, I have a great deal of respect for Mr. Kejriwal because I think he is a person, he's a leader who has taken anti-corruption as a very important issue, brought anti-corruption as a very important issue in national political discourse. But simultaneously, the first day I would like to also give him an unsolicited advice is that he shouldn't be seen as again running away.
Powered by NNIS.